Lolly.
Good morning, Muriel. You don't sound very happy. Is everything okay?
Sure. I just wish I wasn't so friggin' ugly.
Yeah, don't we all?
Cheer up, Muriel. You're not that hideous.
Edgy, what have your father and I taught you about lying?
Gee, Mom, sorry. I'm just tired of hearing her complain of how ugly she is. It's almost as bad as having to look at her.
Well, thanks for that, Edgy.
Good morning, family. What's going on?
Oh, it's just Muriel complaining about how grotesque she is again.
Muriel, are you on the rag again?
Oh, no, Uncle Sherman. I stopped bleeding a couple days ago.
All right, young lady. But just remember next time to not leave bloody trails all over the house. It attracts ants worse than a 4th of July picnic.
Did someone say picnic? I'm starved.
Oh, Dad, you're always hungry at the mention of blood.
That's gross.
Not any grosser than Muriel's face. Why don't I mix up a potion to make Muriel less ugly?
Gramps, don't you remember what happened last time you tried to make her less ugly with one of your magic tricks?
What? Gee, Gramps, you turned her from kinda ugly to super barf bag ugly.
I can only imagine what you'd say if we weren't cousins.
Well, if your imagination is anything like your face, I doubt you'd have a clue what I think.
Now, as long as Muriel is living here, we have to act like a family. Now, Edgy, say you're sorry to Muriel.
Do I have to?
Yes, Edgy, the way your mother told you.
Fine. Muriel, I'm sorry.
Well, okay, Edgy.
I'm sorry you're so goddamn ugly.
Ugh, I can't believe this. I'm leaving.
Edgy? Gee, Pop, Mom, Gramps, I'm sorry. Whatever for?
Yeah, son, that was brilliant.
Now we don't have to look at her hideous face for the rest of the morning.